All right, we're gonna do a variation of this hip thrust. Nothing too heavy, but we're gonna get a lot of mind-muscle connection. Let's go. Good, good. 2, 3, okay, bring it up. All the way up, kick it out. Slow, good, switch. Good, slow, there you go. Good, good. Slow, good. Drive it up, kick it out. Slow, good. Good. Good, slow, good. Squeeze, squeeze. There you go. Drive it up. Slow, it's all you. Good, 2 more. Good. 1 more. 1 more. Good. There you go. Last one, hold it. Now together, give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it. Good. Slow, good job, slow. Good job, there you go.
Help me.
Help you. 1 plate, 1 plate.